Because you are going now. Them already know so once police will upon him the right way. You understand?
Yeah.
See me a people, but you actually picture fuzzy. See me, him are the one to bust it, him are the one to put the shot in the head until they have to suck him over. I end up on the screen. You see people, as some me go to work. Him are the one to pull the gunshot. Him are the one who pull the gunshot. The police look for him right now. You understand? But Andrew Wallace now to make it be an all-island man search. Remember, you know, what year when Andrew Wallace through bad mind in this and through Juliet Wallace love me, I've said that, but me mean, through me and Juliet Wallace near one a long time thing. You understand? When them claims I'm run through the toll way.
Big man.
Yeah, man. Alright, you are going now. Just call them and then call them back here.
Alright.
Alright, people, so see it here. Bush with the other people. So that may tell someone said them for come them for left investigation thing and done people and the chattings. You understand? Because I see all the local one there. You understand? Upon the ends, but people just don't talk to two local man, you know. Bush be there. Now, some man in this thing for cloud people and some man in this thing forget the eye people. Big up NIAH people, RIP. Youth gone too soon people. Now, people, when me can't take that and the ungratefulness, me can't take more time. You know, that's why sometimes I feel like we just done them investigation together, people. Yes, and just penetrate over the maroon government thing, you know. But the situation, whole heap of people call me and I say, boy, Emperor, please don't give up the thing, yo. And the police themselves, I beg me say, Emperor, please stay up on the investigation. And me that come and fight long time, people. See it, yeah? I push me the people. You understand? Me never have to there some people. Some man for left bomb back that investigation thing to the professional. You understand? People who remember when them kill the little girl as Spanish on the people. Remember say me go find the phone them and me go find say at the river them throw the little girl in her. Who remember over River check it out now. Who remember Donnelly case when nobody could solve Donnelly case and me have to solve Donnelly case people and find out say and Noel and Kathy and the whole of them and Kathy chief friend them people. Who remember the people, how people are ungrateful and so easy forgot. How much more things me I forgot do. Who remember say we find out about a mucko and a me solve the case there and go find the police them and then through the mother and the father afraid of the boy because the boy about the security boy but them no they look at you they do the security job and the boy know mother must come in the place and the local security guard have nothing to do with it and the boy in the when you go and buy KFC, can say more proof to the company. People don't forgot and me solve them case there. Oh, remember Peter Paul, well, I want name. You understand? When the woman came, remember say me go up in the hill up a mountain view and go find the spot and call the police them and I saw arrest could I make. Oh, don't forgot them things there already, people. Look how much crime we saw about here. Who remember when Andrew Wallace thief the money and go leak down the people in house? Remember say the Prime Minister that true and Prime Minister we cannot go to jail, you know. Who remember say me solve them case? And when they talk about that true, my bad mind man for Juliet Wallace, me go dig up case. And I think all the people them beg me for go solve the thing. Because them know I take a look at people them also over Bernard Lodge. And thief the people them land. And when they talk about a bad mind, the Prime Minister true, he take a Juliet from me. I know, me not love Juliet again, but I mean, me they love Juliet. Me big up Juliet all this year, man. Big up Buckler Juliet. I don't say that. But anyway, me not busy with a part there.
Prophet.
Where go on, my God?
Prophet, manners and respect.
We shall have here.
Down to the ground where you walk, pan.
Yeah, man, because them people piss me off, man. Them people are ungrateful, you know. Because me see one of them on TV talk about NIAH case bigger than L.A. Lewis cause L.A. Lewis afraid for talk things and one bag of thing. My lad, and there's some people try case, my lad. When you do case, my lad, you have to rascal. You can't call out people name on case.
Guess what, me know, Guess what happened now on my own, Dan? You see NIAH thing? You see, man, them when you say, from TikTok with NIAH, and them response to NIAH thing. But them a jaw themselves, but watch out. You see, which man NIAH dead, you're going to go spit the rum, and talking at twangs, eh?
I see my eye them turn. I see my, well, I know. You see my big good, my brown eye and my white eye become fully black. When them see them thing there. Them possibly are chatting things. I'm money me spend on myself case now. They don't know me go to work.
Watch out, I'm a boss. Yeah, I'm a boss. Down to the ground when I walk by, I respect you.
My lord.
Yeah, boy, you talk to you and I security a Pegasus, you know.
Oh, big up yourself, my lord. My lord.
Yeah, man.
You know, sister, I'm
going to stop giving me thumbs up, man, because I'm going to stop following you, man. I'm going to love how you talk to you. Down to the ground.
and now you case me up on them, my lord. A bush me over look scheme. One of the things that develop it to come figure information now way up a country.
Watch now. You make cartel come around. I tell you, because now you're a great youth.
I'm going to talk about cartel case also. What I'm going to solve, I'm going to jump over fence. I'm going to thief all cartel pumpkin them and solve cartel case. And then look a boy you come talk about say, case bigger than me. Case bigger than them, mama. How are them? Listen me. Don't me tell us that people have to go run where when my bus from. I hear see 2 house load of people run where ready from there thing.
But when them are going to run, we go, and them not no visa, no country no want to see them. Say whether them turning themselves to the police.
Alright. You know see people get wall. You know see what me do, the gun get catch. And a 3 shot fire out of the gun. And you see the look. Remember say $200,000. Me tell them say, me get anybody for find the little boy. I want them man.
Emperor.
Yeah.
You see the money where you put up it $2 million. By the time the week fit done, or Sunday week fit I got done. By the time the week fit done, I'm gonna go call you and tell you till now.
My lord, see Taylor. A 20 grand US this me up for me, you know. So check how much is 20 grand Jamaica. Check how much is 20. Somebody please put by the screen. How much is 20 grand US in a Jamaica money? I want to do the man. Bossy. Why tell them when we come up here. When we come up here, big.
You saw the whole world in your hand, man.
I like ungratefulness, man. Because me there work hard for the case, you know. Because me say this have to wrap up before Christmas. Yo, let me tell you something. You know, say enough of them social media blogger here never turn police in the case. Me wrap up the case long time.
And guess what I know? That's a serious thing you talk because I showed to YouTube I hear a man last night come and I say, yo, NIAH father, forgive out NIAH daughter the phone because he must stop the little girl food.
NIAH daughter, hold on there. I'm mad this time I talk. Your black son. You know you have me look picking it. No make nobody get you and NIAH father catch up. NIAH father for keep him phone. NIAH father for keep everything for them. You understand? The little girl, that little girl, I make some come yap them come yap up the case. My lord, listen me man. I yap them yap up the case because you go on now. NIAH father to keep the phone.
Yeah,
you understand? Yeah. And him can go up on NIAH's channel and go run NIAH channel for him and keep NIAH alive. Black Sun, CPR already a film big channel. NIAH look a brother. We bust him one and give him a channel. Bobo now. See we bust Bobo and give Bobo a channel. So NIAH work not going in vain. Bobo not something now. We don't say Bobo probably not here. Who NIAH because the whole community here. Me here who. You understand? So we release a picture there out of the shutter, but it's more than 5 somebody involved. So me want to hold everybody in a one, and everybody me want to hold. Me no want just hold the shutter alone. Because the shutter never go off by one. The shutter was sent by somebody. You understand?
Yeah,
yes.
That's true.
We're not going to tell a lie.
No man, just take it up on the medicine, bad mind. Now good you.
My lord, look man. Bobo don't have nothing to do like here. He have something to do with. He have nothing to do with that. But Bobo, yes. Bobo, you're a who kill. But Bobo is terrified. Because remember, I know the man send police. And with remember say me go around and go with the blood. Because you see the other boy to know, the one where them send come plant side of Naya, the one where the dog run off and him run at the house, when him see the money, him know. Me tell you from last week.
Prophet, you know why the pussy them are talk about boy case bigger than you, eh? I get them why you get your 5 case because they want to run free.
You know, see them, when me say them go find the gun, you see them find the gun.
What do you mean? You're powerful, youth.
Remember, you know, who didn't know where the gun there? Ask the police them. If I know me dump them. I want the man. You know, some of them jump off the case. I don't the case in the car. Me can't take that grip for this, you know. Me not get paid, no. Me not get paid. I told me rate the look boy Naya, you know. Because remember, you know, none of them never do nothing for Naya yet. Remember, said Naya used to come check me them time before him bleach out. I used to come check me and collect money. And I said, look at you, you're resilient, can generate a band like me. Remember, when Naya drop a jail, when the girl they tell life on Naya, none of them don't know that. Ask anybody who close to Naya. When Naya they drop a jail, because the girl they tell lies and Naya said Miss Moisha, that are the big the liar there are the biggest liar in a Walaba. She don't lose case. She don't one of the plaza. When the police them call me and say, yo, Emperor, what do you look a soldier they don't here look black at you to know. I get out for lock him up. And I say, who that? I just say, him name Naya. No, I lie me tell him Naya. I forgot him official name. And I say, yo, if you don't send, because the police know him by Naya, the police know him by him real name, because he sign in. And the police now must say Xavier or something like that. Xavier or something like that, him real name must say. I know, say. And me tell the police, listen me, no say no. I'm going to call the liar lady, that is Moisha, you know. Yes, and I'm going to tell her, say, you go to the station. And she charge me the way you kind of feed it now, when you have to go look for somebody, for go to airport star, because I went one name. Yeah. And my lad, me send the money go down there. And when the liar go down there, and the liar take the same phone, and say, listen me, how comes Naya for pop off gun for the girl? Because the girl, Naya said, the girl go collect the money, and the girl will share the money good. And she had Naya must kick off and Naya hold the money. And the girl will lock up Naya. And Naya, when Naya shows a boss, see her, me up on my talk show, that same time when the girl say me pop off. And when the liar show the police him, and so Naya get for case get for fling way.
Hey, you know why them Prophet.
I know everything, my lad. I already tell you already.
Prophet.
Yes.
You know why them
bad mind.
That you there, well I know, the second to last video him do on TikTok. He add up a pussy hole and a bad mind boy them head. When Naya said 2025 me go get rich. I'm gonna tell you something, my lad. Naya they already compared to ghetto life, Naya didn't go on good because Naya have him look a car cage and girl where send money come give him now. And Naya make him look at money off of TikTok. So Naya was going on good, my lad. I'm proud of Naya, my lad. See, like I said, proud of CPR, my lad. Because at CPR, the first bike when I buy CPR, I $1 million I pay for that bike there. 10,000 US at the time. I'm more than 1 million, but them time of the $1 million. I buy CPR, the first big bike. Them time when me produce him, and he put out a song, say, just go up on Black Sun and L.A. Lewis. Them tell the Naya not touch the street yet. And me probably bring CPR to the game. I'm proud of CPR to see how him do the thing and it's a youth to get no fight. So see that cold one pull for my skin. I'm proud of him. I'm proud of Naya because I'm too pity them. So you understand? Something that need no money to go investigate Naya thing.
I'm not sure what HR is doing.
But them social media boy a mess case. The boy never slow down the case so they give me harder work. Then the third one come get angry for you. But done that case, you know. But done that case, but done with it.
Youth. You're good youth. You're going to find out people from both in Africa come visit you.
See, a bush me there, people a bush me there, and I kiss me work for
Your thing, turn up. Your thing I say one youth. And me I tell her. I follow you right through on TikTok. And I say your thing is normal you. I say I have to call you and tell you now.
Man, tell you about
you're powerful, you know how powerful is you. You have a whole world in your youth.
I like it, man. My case I go on smooth, you know. My lord, me say I'm proud of my case. Come here say, yo, me dey on a time schedule for wrap up that case before Christmas. And the case I go on good, you know. You know, so me get snake eye for leg on the dope with them. Alright, for sure say me the greatest. Me go down and say, yo, we got free Paula Lewin. And you know say, a Friday gone Paula Lewin win our case. And everybody said she couldn't win it. But Jimmy still not let her go. So we said, alright. We send it up there for the people and I like that. So my lord, I two things me use on solve case, you know. Me use dopey and me use money on solve case. Because you can't go for get information from people and I go like you want. No, when me go for information from people, my lord, see it here, me make sure this a boom. And pop off a piece of budget. I want the budget like I'm walking local money, I'm walking international money. Can you see it here? 50 grand me just go pay. Me just go pay 50 grand to get some information. And me dey on my way now. I go back a whole hour, I go talk to my police them. See that 50 grand me just go pay. Come walk with $400,000 this man in a local money. I'm walk with $20,000 US dollar.
I want thing with the world I gonna love you. This I know the world I gonna know say you're real youth. And I pay poor people you defend.
Well, you bless myself for that. But bless my God, man, because what case bigger than LLO. So, what them looking at the boy, man, and my content. And my content, the boy, the man I used to, you know. Never use my content and have a case bigger than who. My lord, and money me use and buy a case. So, what there? I'm the richest blood clot blogger ever upon the planet here. Not even GSC ever blog yet.
The boy can't tell me that, I know that. No boy can't tell me that, General. I know that. I know you're a star.
My lord.
From powerful.
My lord.
Like the man above.
From my lord, I swear to God, if I lie, me tell, so Father God, I come out tell what me land now in the bush. My lord, from NIAH case, my lord, a $1.2 million me spend to get information to wrap up the case. Plus, me go set big table over there with snake eye them. I pay a snake eye over $200,000 for go set table. You have to spend, that's what I tell the Prime Minister of Jamaica, say, Andrew Wilson. You can't sell out the police them and now give the police them money for solve crime. Police have to get enough money for solve crime. Crime, what I'm check say? Crime thing a drug thing. I don't know, man. See, tell them, I don't the case, you know. And then the blood clot, but you allow the man.
Prophet.
Yeah.
You see, you know what more, you know? If boy them get involved in a NIAH thing, where you put them on social media, put up them picture on social media, make the whole world see them, because the whole world of NIAH, you know.
Yo, tell Crushbird for call me. Crushbird call me. Somebody tell Crushbird call me now. Because let me tell you something, people. I know enough of them now go and hear this, you know. Crushbird, yes, Crushbird did send got tax now because a Sophie style go. But Crushbird now have nothing to do with that. I never want to talk it.
You want to come and call up him name and I say him involved in a NIAH thing, so.
Crushbird send got tax NIAH couple long time ago. Because I saw Crushbird go to work. I now say 100% innocent, you know. You understand? I now say Crushbird 100% innocent. Because I know I'm not interrogate him yet. But it's the 2 hours of me just find out because it's a bush millionaire people who can't tell what me there. But I'm a king's son this minute. I'm in a dependent maroon government business people, so when you can't say, yo, I can't pay them to forget people forget the maroon ID to stop pay tax. No, I bush me the people. Me just go pay me $50,000 to get me information. Emperor, blood, Emperor, and the artist, this restaurant, the Emperor, the investigator, this.
Emperor.
Yes.
Emperor, you know, sir. You can check them on them on social media with them on NIAH in argument.
My lord, you see, Bumbleclot Andrew Wallace, they work with me, the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Me solve the case, because you are going now. Andrew Wallace have the new machine when I get from the of the people over Gaza. Andrew Wallace get the tracking machine. So you see if Andrew Wallace now just track the boy phone, who hold the boy, you see the one who shoot and run to the country, the one there, if you track me by now, Andrew Wallace track the Emperor, you know. Any man track me, you know. When me did at the airport and find me, you know. One time me did bus, one time them sent me bus through the tollway. So him can't remember, you know. The little boy was an Andrew go suck your mother over there. Him chat the man on him phone and him come say. So why Andrew, why the Prime Minister, unless the Prime Minister support crime? So them could have assist me, so me have to do the thing the hard way because the government of the country is not helping me to solve crime. I am solving crime single-handedly, me and the Maroon government. NIAH Kepong. And nobody can solve like metal. Tell somebody can solve like metal. My lad, even the police them. Big up Wallaba be a police. And true some people say, because here we go now. No people have to say Wallaba be a police I hear that, you know. And that's why the NIAH on TV can have said, because we talk to everybody in the community say Emperor. Them police and Wallaba can't solve nothing. No. Them say Wallaba be a police and the done says police for the planet. And I say that to say. But people, what happened now? You have two corrupt police boy who work with the kids. I not look at them name yet. Because my other police them give me them name and say, LA, you have to expose them. But your own middle, my lad, me not just talk people name so. So when some boy you talk about, see that LA who's afraid to call name. You know, so now your grandmother call name, LA who's a one log name. I know some me go to work, my lad. Me have to interrogate you first. Then me can I never put it.
The prophet now want to bring up false wrong information. Anything the prophet let out, it have to be straight.
Yeah. But investigation bigger than the Emperor. Yo, you know so I give a figure up that case, yeah. I done my foot with them boy.
You eat up man because you done the deep in the case already, man. And you see where you going and you know where you going. You understand? You understand? Emperor, that's what you do one night, eh? You move the whole Jamaica. Me I tell you. Everybody talk about your thing. You ever tell you? Don't give up a case. Defend NIAH same way. You understand? Let NIAH daughter go to bed in peace. Her father, them.
My lad, you notice? Me no go up on me have the TikTok page and me have them thing there. You notice you know see me go up on the TikTok page and people talk about Emperor, come over, come talk on the case now and some me do things my lad and some me go to work.
Yeah.
Me no in this views. Me and this is solve the case. This is one more case for myself. I see that me 98% in the case. And if the look at TikTok boy them never dare say, I am do this, I am do that, I am do this and they mash up my case.
Sure.
Me don't do that case, and the easiest cases to solve, because the boy, I remember, you know, the boy was sit up, say that NIAH, do want to run off, you know. Remember, you know, if it wasn't for me, nobody in the world would have known, say, a film yard, them find the gun in her. Nobody would have known. If me never go talk to NIAH grandmother, none of them would have known, say, Bobo is a little man why I'm head sick.
When you find a weakness in the Emperor, that's when you go find it. And you find it at the money yard, you know.
None of the blogger them they know say the gun get fine. Not even crush bread. Or none of them. Uncle somebody they know say the gun get fine. And the other bridge in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I mean I'm going to the case too tough. Because I don't want to leak too much in for blood clamation. Because them boy not going to draw me out. Because I feel for done in that case of people. I feel for done in that case of. So people, only make me know for done in a blood clot case, because I don't take disrespect, you know. I made the Emperor, you know. I never have to deal with it. I could have go and enjoy my money. I could have gone up on my yacht. Remember, I have a yacht? I already forgot.
Yes, man.
I could have gone up on my yacht. I got about 2 cigars, you know. See it, you know. $300 US cologne, you know. I was some boy to chattings.
Emperor, so you come up with that, so some pay top to deal with. You know, these squaff stuff.
Oh, make them know.
Yeah, some general, man. There's a pay top to deal with Emperor. You have people where they work with you, man. People where the fire, you know, man.
Oh, make them know, because you did it. See it, my lad. My lad, if a boy can go for one of them lighter, yeah. See it, yeah. Ask a boy talk, see my lighter, yeah, what music like my cigar, people. A $2,000 US for my lighter, people. $2,000 US for my lighter. See it, people. Now ramp with me. What's my chatting? $2,000 US for my lighter. What is the boy to
Emperor. No, what you do for Jamaican? What if Andrew will listen with that?
Andrew Wallace me a preem right now because see I know him not going to Naya yard, you know. I know the Prime Minister, if it was a Chinese, and I know the Prime Minister not go down there. You see all them Christian here, no boy can't come talk about, hey, come go to church for Christmas. Never tell them pastor if you suck them mama. Never tell them for them to go up with them mama. No pastor, not go down to Naya yard. My lord, me just show you. No, Christmas is not time to celebrate, my lord. I should tell about that. It is to celebrate. But you understand, you don't have to celebrate to go by God in church, because enough of them pastors are wicked. Enough of them Christians are wicked. Because remember, you know, the Christian girl called Naya, you know, and tell him to take off him goose ring, you know. If Naya never take off him goose ring, I swear to God, Naya that they till today. You don't have them pussy away. Everything from last year. The man have on him ring. I've got collect a brown envelope look later. When me get the brown envelope, I'm going to try to open up on social media. I want to believe I think a normal thing. So, my lord, I cannot call certain name. If me call name, man go run where, man go take for themselves. So, me can't call name, and that's how investigation go. Some social media blah 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 blah.
Emperor, where the bag run we go?
Them name already that station. You understand?
But them don't know if we run we go, Emperor, because everybody know them.
My lord, no, everybody don't know them. Them picture. If them picture, it's like how you see the shutter now. Film picture, I think they have him picture. Well, I'm going to say we can't find him picture. The shutter now, it's an old picture we get film, you know. Do wanna pull the gun while I'm going to say me get him picture. Because I don't know I'm go to work, you know. Me can release film picture. 3 of them girls in the yard. 2 of them will off the gate. But a 1 gun. You understand? And when you see the little boy upon him phone, so say Naya, I even tell them say Naya, them can come the yard clear. And them said no camera in there. So the little boy now, that are the one where you see me where them say, make him $200,000 to get an interview. And him act like him not mad. People, anyone who see the boy, or to bring him in. We don't want. Because the man who pay him, now, even the man who pay for them knows so once you catch him, once you catch the boy, we are going to find out more than what we find out. So right now, he might run from the police, he might hide from the man them who, and he might hide from all the people. But tell it, they got him. So people see me, you understand? Somebody tell Crush Bread for call me. 773-45984 1876. You want to call her. Make a left the line open, so big up yourself. Just link me when they're ready here.
Alright, alright, my boss. Take care.
Yeah, man, we shall have you. Yeah, man. Yeah, somebody tell Crush Bread call me. Because I need a case of wrap up people. And next week at Christmas, I'm a blood clot case should wrap up already. You understand? My case should wrap up already, people. The case should wrap up already, people. And they want to blame Bubba people. Bubba don't have nothing to do. But Bubba covered team life, people. So they say the people.
You have reached the voicemail box.
Because yes, people, Bubba get threatened, people. So Bubba don't have nobody for defending people. Bubba father that prison people. So I don't have to see with the Bubba people. I don't have to see with him. And then the Bubba alone people. 65% of the people in the community know. You understand? I mean know the mastermind behind your people. 65% of the community know the mastermind.